Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write on the screen here that this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and I would like to go and talk a bit bullish the Australian dollar, US dollar, moving forward in the day. So I will start with the conclusion, saying that I really like the pair and like to buy call options with end of day expiration date today. End of day expiration date meaning, of course, by the time the US markets are going to close. Now, the reason for looking at higher Aussie is quite simple, if you ask me. It is being based on the fact that the whole pattern here is nothing but a triangle that starts from this moment on. And I would say that this one is a continuation triangle. And the triangle goes with the following structure. This being wave A to the downside, then the B wave to the upside, then the C wave most likely here, then the D wave, and the E wave to be done here, or maybe even here, who really knows, and the triangle to be completed. Now, if the triangle is completed here, like any triangle, it travels within the A and C and B and D trend line. Now, in order for the triangle to be bullish and to break higher, we need the B to D trend line to be broken in less than the time taken for the E wave to form. Well, it is not the case like this. That means that the E wave actually is being done here, and from this moment on we should look for higher values to come. Of course, all eyes are going to be on the B to D trend line and how the B to D trend line is going to be broken. Now, what I would like to do here is, even though this is only a 4-hour chart, is to play it on the safe side, or play two types of options. First of all, I would like to buy call options, a bit of a risky setup if you want, right here. So buying call options with end of day expiration date, and that means that the price should go and be attracted by the B to D trend line. That would be one recommendation. And I would also like to buy call options by the time the B to D trend line is broken, because it implies that the triangle will go then for the thrust of it, and it implies that the triangle will go and push a bit, or the market will go for the measure move, meaning the thrust of the triangle. So here I would like to buy them as well in 94.40, but in 94.40 I like to buy call options with 1 week expiration date. So buying call options with 1 week expiration date by the time 0.94, let's see, 0.9440, yes, 0.9450, 0.9445, 0.9445 is broken. Make sure you trade with a broker that offers you that kind of expiration date. I trade with G options, and it is having such an expiration date. Now, the A and B, the B to D and the A to C trend line. This is the A to C trend line, like this, A and C trend line, and this is the end of the E wave here. This triangle, if this triangle turns out to be a bullish one, and it comes for the C wave all the way from the 0.95, it means that we are ending some kind of bullish pattern here that's starting way from lower levels, and we should continue even higher. It remains to be seen. This is the recommendation for today on the fairbinaryoptions.com. Buying call options, end of day expiration date, or end of week expiration date. Thank you very much, and Bye bye.